Remember that the following content is just a summary of information available on the internet, generated by AI. Investing decisions carry risks. Comprehensive report. The oil market amid current events, stability or upcoming shocks. Oil prices as of today. West Texas Intermediate WTI $74.60 per barrel. Brent Crude $78.46 per barrel. The price spread between WTI and Brent indicates slight disparities in demand between the U.S. and global markets. Key factors influencing the oil market. Current economic situation. Global growth. Uncertainty over growth rates in the U.S. and Europe impacts demand forecasts. China. Increased crude imports following its economic reopening are boosting global demand. Strong dollar. A strong dollar pressures oil prices by making it more expensive for non-U.S. buyers. The impact of President Trump on the oil market. New drilling regulations. Unleashing America's Energy Potential Directive expands access to new drilling areas, including Alaska and the Gulf of Mexico. Increased domestic production may exert downward pressure on prices in the medium term. Talks with Saudi Arabia. Maintaining stable relations with Saudi Arabia ensures predictability in OPEC Plus policies, stabilizing the oil market. Support for the domestic oil industry. Promoting energy independence benefits U.S.-based energy companies like Halliburton and Schlumberger. Technical analysis of oil prices. WTI crude, $74.60 per barrel. Support, $72. Resistance, $77. Trend. WTI is consolidating within a range, with potential upside if it breaks above $77. Brent Crude, $78.46 per barrel. Support, $76. Resistance, $82. Trend. Brent shows medium-term stability with possible gains if global demand remains strong. Fundamental factors. Demand and supply. Demand. Rising imports in China and India are supporting oil prices. Supply. Increased U.S. production could cap price increases. OPEC Plus policy. The absence of significant changes in production policies signals market stabilization. Geopolitical risks. Tensions in the Middle East and potential sanctions on Iran may add volatility to the market. Investor implications. Potential beneficiaries. Oil extraction and technology companies tied to the energy sector. Refineries benefiting from relatively low raw material costs. Risks for investors. Potential OPEC Plus policy shifts or unpredictable geopolitical events. Economic slowdowns in the U.S. and Europe. Summary. Short-term, oil prices remain in consolidation, with stable demand from Asia supporting the market. Medium-term. President Trump's policies could lower oil prices due to increased domestic production. Investment strategy. Track OPEC Plus decisions and macroeconomic indicators like PMI to identify trends. Recommendations for investors. Monitor developments in U.S. drilling policies and OPEC Plus decisions. Watch data from China and India, as they are critical oil consumers. Analyze support and resistance levels in oil futures prices. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for easier access to future analyses. Please like the video to help us understand your needs better. If you want us to prepare a similar short report on another company, write its name in the comments. We do not engage in brokerage activities consisting of investment advice, portfolio management including one or more financial instruments, or preparing recommendations regarding transactions in financial instruments, or any other brokerage activities specified in the Act on Trading in Financial Instruments. Journal of Laws, 2005, number 183, item 1538. In accordance with Regulation EU, number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council of April 16, 2014 on market abuse and the Commission Delegated Regulation, EU 2016/958 of March 9, 2016 Supplementing Regulation EU. Number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council with regard to regulatory technical standards for the technical means for objective presentation of investment recommendations or other information recommending or suggesting an investment strategy and disclosure of particular interests or indications of conflicts of interest. The information provided in this recording is a compilation developed based on data and content collected from various Internet sources, which are not always fully verified by us. They are for educational purposes and as part of an experiment on AI capabilities. When making investment decisions, the user should rely on their own judgment. Transactions conducted by the user are considered their own independent decisions.